What's up gamers, this is Preetham from the Pickup Dude. So भाई, have you ever wondered कि यार किस तरह की conversations होनी चाहिए? How do I never run out of things to speak? What topic should I talk about? A rapport कैसे build करे? और attraction का क्या scene है? So भाई, in this infield, I'm going to show you exactly that. ठीक है? And also, please do stay until the end because you will see her reaction. She blushes like anything, dude. That's the fun part, okay? Yeah, without any further ado, let's get straight into the infield.
Do you have some water? And where do you get the burger? Oh, rose for me? You have a rose.
Oh no, yeah, yeah. But it's not for you.
Oh man. What is this? Like,
It is good.
no, I haven't. What's that? Filtering mechanism or something?
It's a fancy bottle.
Yeah, I can see that. You are here to read or something?
No, it's my friend's birthday, so we planned here to cut the cake. I'm waiting for them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Oh, I was going to ask you for a cake, but okay. You haven't even cut the cake, right?
Yeah. I mean, you can come after 30 minutes if you want.
30 minutes? I have to wait 30 minutes? What's your name? Preetham. You're
Yes.
awesome.
What about you?
Guess.
Mumbai?
Ah, nearby.
Pune?
Nearby. Oh, somehow. ठीक है, Pune. Okay, good. How do you know? Like, इतना accurate कोई नहीं रहता. So unless and until you have been to that place.
No, you look like a little North Indian guy. So.
So Pune is not north, right?
But still, a guess, a random guess it was, yeah.
Okay, I'm half. So since you're just killing time, even I'm killing, waiting for my friend. Okay. So my क्या बोलता हूँ?
So it was a love marriage.
Arrange. Border वाला scene.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm going to. Where do you think I come and spoke with you? I'm hungry. Oh, okay.
It's a chicken burger.
I love chicken.
Oh, I thought you were a vegetarian for a second.
Where to get this? I'm trying to find.
Tom's. It's near Coxton.
यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, right? I'm roaming. There's no water. There's like,
Oh.
yeah. Okay, like you come here often or something?
Not really. When I was volunteering with an NGO, I used to be here regularly, but now since my college timings is
What's for again? Have tissue?
no, but I've used it.
Side वाला. Medical.
I mean, Mount Carmel doesn't have.
You're saying. So any plans to go for MBA or something?
I'm waiting to get placed. Yes.
क्या रहता?
Analytics. I'm specialized.
That's what I was like. क्या है ये इसका? और so you find good.
It's okay.
BBA कैसा है? Usually people go for medical या फिर yeah, the first girl I saw usually engineering करके MBA करता है. क्या कैसा है?
I was so I couldn't choose anything like engineering or medical. Yeah, as
that
soon as my
explains,
school
yeah.
got over, I chose commerce. And then I had two options, BCom or BBA, so I got a specialization course offer, so I was like, let me go.
So nice. So you into books or something? No. People usually who come here they are like book nerds.
Yeah, they are.
So what do you do for fun? I didn't get your name. Viksh's name. So what's my name?
What's your name?
James Bond.
Thanks. I'll try searching it on Instagram.
I'm not on Instagram.
Oh.
You are on Instagram?
Yeah.
Sure.
I haven't uploaded any pictures.
कुछ तो होगा.
Oh, sorry?
कुछ तो. You don't understand Hindi?
I do, like a little, but I don't tell me to speak and all, because it's gonna be very funny. Yes. I answered this question earlier.
I did. वो burger खा के you know like I just forgot everything. With a rose. Okay, usually I check Insta so that I can match, you know, are you the same person, because वो filter डाल देता है, right?
Oh,
Yeah. It's not loading.
I'm the same person. I don't edit pictures.
Uh-huh. So you have on done it, right? Oh, you said Mount Carmel.
It's a famous girls' college.
You're from girls' college. तेरे घर पे स्ट्रिक्ट थे क्या, मतलब पेरेंट्स होने से तेरे?
Yeah, that's true.
हाँ, वो लग रहा है थोड़ा, मतलब I don't know.
But now it's co-ed from first year. Like, yeah, now it's co-ed.
It's not loading.
And my here is slow.
So what do you do for fun?
I hang out with my friends. There's this place in Belgrade. I always be in Belgrade.
What's that? I'm not from here, so I'm just visiting.
There's a place near my house. It's called It's a nice fancy place. It's like a 2.0 version of MG Road. You know MG Road?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that kind of
Makati
thing.
Road.
Okay. Oh, what was the name of that street again? Check that out. Better you can show me.
Yeah.
So actually, like, क्या सीन था? ये New Year and all, right? So a friend, I was supposed to go to Goa. So but this friend was like, आजा. So I'm like, चल ठीक है, बहुत दिन हो गए मिले. You understand Hindi, right? Which is language, you know?
Kannada.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Load? Dude, why are you so fair? You should go in that Fair and Lovely one.
Tell me to approach me. I'll definitely do a...
They won't approach you. You need to go to them, right? How would they know? Have you seen this Twilight movie?
Which movie?
Twilight, vampires and all.
No.
Edward, Bella. Okay, okay, whatever. So there's this movie about vampires and stuff. Okay, so vampires usually रात को निकलता है.
Oh yeah, right.
हाँ. So
I watched the Vampire Diaries.
no, that's different. This is different. But ठीक है, whatever. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So the vampires usually they don't go in suns and all. So if they set in sun, they start glowing as they golden. So I saw her like, भाई चमक रही है बंदी.
You look like a vampire. I mean,
Yeah, you might be. I don't know.
maybe.
Yeah. किसका बर्थडे तेरा हो तो मैं पक्का खा लेता अभी. I'm that hungry, dude. Since morning I'm just roaming like an idiot. No, don't look anything like her. ठीक है?
Because I've tied my hair now.
You look pretty here, not here. Usually उल्टा रहता है, but ठीक है. This doesn't look like you, dude. किस एंगल से?
Because I'm wearing saree. then
ठीक है, मतलब वो फेस थोड़ी बदल जाता है. If I'm wearing a blazer, doesn't mean like I
But
just
then yeah, I have reduced the weight, so yeah. Yeah.
indirectly was calling you fat, but ठीक है.
No, there I look a little chubby, I guess, but now I don't.
Ah, now I can see you. Right. How?
I started going to gym regularly.
So like lift or you lift or yeah, ऐसे ही मतलब.
Yeah, I do.
What's your PR?
It's like 25 max.
Squat,
Yeah.
deadlift.
No, squat.
Squat is 25. Deadlift,
Deadlift and all, it's still around 12, 13.
slow.
Yeah.
And bench press, they make you do it.
No, I don't. Bench press.
I tried deadlifting 120. 120 is like my this thing. 100 तक it's fun, but after like 100 वो थोड़ा form चले जाता है. And dude, I was in this college, ठीक है, VIT. Okay. There क्या था? I just started lifting, ठीक है. So मैं college गया, and वो जोश में, right? No warm up, ऐसे ही पड़ा था वो. 80 kilos का था. 40 मैंने measure किया. मैंने कहा चल 100 से मार लेते ये तो होगा ही easily. I just went, I tried to lift it. I did with perfect fucking form, ठीक है? While squeezing your glutes, everything. But I couldn't sit like this for a week. I just had to lie down, or I don't know. I couldn't sit at all. It was fucked up. Then I realized, and the way I measure it is एक साइड का दुख रहा है कि दो साइड का? दोनों साइड का दुख रहा है? सही किया हाउ डिड यू गॉट इनटू लिफ्टिंग? ऐसे ही मतलब
I mean, beginning of my third year, I had nothing to do, so I was like, let me go to gym. And then I saw people lifting. I used to do normal exercise to be honest. Then
you look like those yoga girls, you know, who's more into
Yeah,
yoga,
yeah.
right? Are you into?
no.
कौन सी मूवी थी वो? सनम तेरी कसम, वो मैं कुछ बोलूँगा अभी तो पकड़ के मारेगी मेरे को मैं बहन जी बोलने वाला था बट ठीक है I've seen that girl, right?
Yeah.
Same vibe ऐसा. No one has told you this?
No.
People
So
don't.
many compliments I'm getting today.
Oh. So people don't usually talk about.
No, it's like I don't rush. I go like a homeless girl to college. So people usually don't. We don't do that stuff in college.
Okay. No, randomly ऐसे ही.
But when I ask my friends like, do I look like her? Do I like? They'll be like, yeah, you.
Vampire, add that thing. ठीक है.
Sure.
क्या बोला मैंने vampire बहन जी ने.
So what do you do?
Depends on which time you ask me this. So as an
Like on a regular basis.
okay. So I've completed my masters, MTech, ठीक है, and with other thing like I'm a coach too. मतलब I change people's lives.
Coach like what?
There's this thing called self-image. Okay. So do you look good?
Yeah, I do.
ये you think about yourself. This it's a perception. भावना is a person who looks good. This is not objective. This is your own thing, right? So इसको हम self image बोलते हैं. What you think about your own self. People are like I'm shy. I am shy. I think I'm shy. So what I do is I basically जो भी रहता है ना उसको I just break them, and then because I transformed myself overnight. I was this very introvert, shy person. So overnight I don't have to be that guy, right? I'm like I started like why don't I just talk with people? So that's one of the fun thing which I do.
I mean, back then, like before joining MCC, I think I was very insecure about myself.
Regarding
Everything, the way I used to dress up. Then I used to not be comfortable with my body, the way I looked. But now I know
you're coming out of it.
Yeah.
I can see that progress. Okay, work in progress kind of thing. And you're almost out of your shell. Yeah. So few years ago, if someone would have walked up to you and be like, "Is that rose for me?" Or like, now you're like, "Oh, wait. Have a burger," you know. Right. Awesome. You don't like dogs?
I'm scared of street dogs.
Okay, we are going to face the fear now. Feed him.
No.
Feed him.
No.
Nothing will happen. Come feed him.
Not me, please.
Come. Oh. Okay, don't worry. If he comes, I'll just kill him with this bottle.
Then I'll sit around.
That's what. You don't have to worry. Wolf is sitting behind you.
I don't know where my friends are.
Yeah.
Where is your friend?
I have no clue. I think I'll just set me around. We'll hang out tomorrow. ठीक है? मैं को घुमाने ले जा. Let's see how good of a host are you.
Oh.
ठीक है? So, like what you said, you 2.0 version MG Road का.
Yeah.
Take me there.
Yeah, sure. Whenever I'm free.
I'm just here for a day or two.
Yeah. When are you coming back then?
I told you I'm not even from this place.
So, why are you here then? Like.
To visit my friend.
yeah.
Did you not hear anything what I
Sorry.
spoke?
Sorry.
We just have today and tomorrow.
See, today it's my friend's birthday. We may end up going out.
Right.
Tomorrow I am back, so that will.
वो ऐसा नहीं रहता तेरे को पता.
See, you came here to visit your friend. Just the same way you can come back again to visit me.
Oh, you need to give me a good enough reason, no? बाद में तू
You're
bail out.
telling this is not a good enough reason.
I don't know. You might just be like. Monday, I can extend one day for you. That's the best I can do.
See, that's the problem. New Year is coming up, right? Tomorrow is my sister's birthday.
कितने क्या है मतलब सबका? तेरा कब है?
See, it's not
तेरा कब
about
है?
that.
तेरा कब है?
See, it's not about that.
No, I'm genuinely asking. When's yours?
May 20th.
June 4th. Okay, you were saying.
It's just that we have like family function happening. Even yesterday we had function. So today was the only day break, so I just took a break and I came here. So tomorrow again I'm here. You come back again.
Where are you taking me?
That's the only place I know.
For that thing, I just need to come here and travel like 1,000
No, like
kilometers.
no, if you're coming back again to meet your friend, like you can.
I'll come and meet you. Okay, we'll try. I'll just hit you up, and
Sure.
hopefully we can squeeze time half an hour here and there. And you stay nearby somewhere, yeah, sir. ये तेरा कितना दूर है?
It's like 15-16 kilometers. If you're taking metro, I think it's really like 15 minutes.
I'm coming back. ठीक है, I'll call you.
You owe me one, the burger.
What do you? Yeah.
Yeah.
But fine. I don't mind, like, you know. You can get ice cream if you want.
No. I don't need ice cream.
What do you eat? यहाँ पे कुछ है भी नहीं.
Yeah.
I was just searching for something to eat. Try to make time. You seem cool. I don't know.
Yeah, I'll text me today. If I'm free tomorrow, we can hang out.
I'll call you.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye. It was nice meeting
What's my name?
you. James Bond.
I like this. Chal, bye.
Bye. I'll save your number.
Yep. चल बहुत सही है.
तो भाई कैसा लगा, मजा आया वीडियो देख के, लेकिन उसका एंड का रिएक्शन इतना सही था ना भाई, क्या ही बोलूं मतलब. So if you do like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and also comment down your favorite part कि क्या सही लगा, क्या था, and you know also since you're already down, please do check out the link in the description for our Telegram community. ठीक है? So yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next video.